the 3rd Marine Air Wing Band. Final jumpers to come down here. Again, all parts Missouri and Mesa, Arizona. As the aircraft begin for a quick reaction force, or QRF, to launch and recover the... They're taking fire, and they need to suppress the enemy. So we're just waiting on the Huey now to come on in. In honor of all of those brave dust-off crews. There we go.
Typically, yeah, we can. So we've got a lot of computers and things on board that allows us to safely
Put on down. And look at that. Thrilled to have him here for the first time in Yuma. He has competed in a daring stunt only a handful of pilots would have attempted. But air... Capabilities, the F-35V is designed.
Seconds on the takeoff roll. The lead aircraft is piloted by the commanding officer who flies in contact as a hostile. He directs his wingman to execute their game plan, maneuvering in a position for both above and across. On his right wing is the opposing solo bandit, Lieutenant Colonel Joel Adolphson. If you look to your right, you'll witness one of the many unique characteristics of the F-5N Tiger II. The F-5 is the ability to...
Who could be in the lead out there right now? Jets known as the T-33. Believe it or not, when these jets were new, this was the number.
And like a distant dream, he saw a shooting star.
Oh man. Well, he is an air show hero. Greg Collier and Rob Scratch Mitchell up there in the T-33s. Loves to fly, but he loves to fly fast and hard. Right at show. Pushes that old 1950s truck down the road like a slingshot held by a gorilla. We're gonna on right now here at Yuma, the big. I don't know. Hurt flew the P-47 like you see right now in front of you, escorted there by.
UH-1 Yankee and the UH-1 Zulu. With targets identified by the ground unit.
These Ks were specially equipped with shallow-running torpedoes, specifically designed for the attack of Pearl Harbor. You see the shallow waters at Pearl Harbor. Anti-aircraft fire veered the vessel away from the Nevada on the first wave. Liberal, Kansas, from Midland, Texas, and in his backseat is one of our pilot trainees, Brady Ornette.
Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Real so